Hello, it's been a while since I did my last review of Flexclip Video Maker, and there's been some updates and changes, so let's take a look at the changes that have been made. It's basically the same free, easy to use video maker to create awesome videos for your business or your introduction or even logos. And let's see, as we look at their website, and it's basically 3 simple steps: add media, customize, and then export your video. And it's all free. All you need to do is sign up using either your Facebook, Google, or a regular email to create an account. Okay, once you signed up and logged into your account, you'll be taken to this Welcome to Flexclip dialog box where you can quickly select a template to start building your video. In our case, let's just X this out and go to our dashboard. Now you can create from scratch. You can also select a particular video template from here also. Okay, let's create a new video from scratch. Create now, and it gives you one more chance to pick a video template that you can use. But let's start from scratch. Wait for the browser to load the editor. It's loaded, and there's your editor dashboard. First, let's name our project. Let's call it something simple like test video. Now this is your timeline, and each section, each block is called a storyboard, where you can add your stories or your frames. And we're looking at the text in the background, which you can select. So your different colors for your background. Let's pick white. Let's pick bold fade as some text. As you can see, you can select your font, and we cannot see the text color because the font is white. So let's change to black on a white background. There we go. Now we can see our text. To edit your text, just double click and simply just add your title. Add something for your subtitle. Hit OK. Now you can also add a logo, but you're gonna notice one thing: you cannot add both a text and a logo. If you select a logo format like I am going to do here, you notice the text disappeared. Now logo appeared. Now your logo is movable. Your text is, you can do the same thing. You can enter your text. Now your logo, you can upload a image from your computer to use a logo. But in any case, let's go back to using a text. So delete that logo, and let's re-enter our information for our text, our title, and our subtitle. There we go. Hit OK. Okay. Now our storyboard, you can also change media files to your background, or add your own image for your background, and you can change the duration of the storyboard. Say you wanted to make it 5 seconds, you just simply click either way how long you want that particular storyboard to last. Now we can add a second storyboard, which we will do next. Now let's add a second storyboard with a different background. Maybe a media, sometime a media background. We can choose provided videos or photos that are provided for your use. Or you can upload your own video or image as a background. Or maybe just a simple color, like we did in storyboard 1, where you can select your color. You can also have icons at the bottom to pick a media, upload your own, or add vocals. Let's pick this Arizona scene, which is loading, as our background. You can fine-tune on what type of video you want by clicking these keywords. So let's use this beautiful scene from Arizona. Now you can upload your own watermark. And the ratio is 16.9 is desktop and laptops. 1:1 is usually tablets. And finally 9:16 is usually your smartphone. So you can fine-tune your video to what the mobile device you want, if you want to. What is splitting the video and what is trimming the video? First, let's take a look at splitting the video. You can drag the scissors to wherever you want to split this video. And when you click split, you will notice you have both two storyboards where each one is where you split the video at the beginning and after the scissors. But let's delete one of these and stay with storyboard number 2 here. And you can play back of what you have so far. See how it looks. So here's storyboard 2 video. Awesome. Let's continue editing. Now let's take a look at trimming the video. Trimming the video is where you adjust the length of how long you want the video in the background to play. See, let's go back to 5 seconds. And there you go. Let's look at another storyboard. Okay, let's build our storyboard number 3. Let's select a media. How about this time using a photo, an image? Okay, let's try this one. Let's add some text, a title. Same name. Actually, it's test video. Subtitle. Amazing. Backgrounds. Okay. Now at the top we can see what font we have, font color. Let's see, try other font colors. Red, yellow, anything that looks, I think we'll just stick to white for now. And at the top, I forgot to explain some of these. Now the self-explanatory, centering, positioning is you can, instead of dragging it around, you can use these arrows to drag around your text, center it. And this is adjusting of when you want the text to appear and when you want it to end, so you can make adjustments so it'll start later. Let's test it out. So it came out, what was it, 0.2 seconds later. Alright, let's try increasing that to a little more. Yeah, I didn't push it enough, but anyway, you get the point. You can adjust the text when it appears. So let's look at the whole 3 storyboards of what we got here now. Okay, that's number 2. And here's number 3, the one we just worked on. Let's go back to continue editing. You can save it, but it automatically saves for you. That's a very good feature. Okay, let's get ready to build storyboard number 4. Now let's add a 4th storyboard. Again, stock media. Let's pick another video. This one, as it loads, we can trim the video or use it as it is. Let me get see if you want to know more about trimming. You can drag it so it ends at a certain point. You can do the same for the beginning, but let's just leave it at the full 10 seconds. And you notice a watermark appears because you can only use so many videos and images before a watermark appears. So to remove it, you need to either upgrade to the premium or upload your own image. Now let's add a music track. I think I'll pick this one, Courage. And as you can see, you can adjust the length of the soundtrack if you want. You can adjust the volume. You can play a loop back so it continuously play. But we'll leave it as is. So next we're gonna there's one more part we need to do. Okay, let's add some text now. Test video, title, subtitle. How about thank you for watching? Alright, now we got our everything including our soundtrack, so the next step is to run the whole video. Okay, now that we created our video and tested it, it's time to export it. Now in export settings we have 3 choices: 480p, 720p, and 1080p, which is high definition. Now to downgrade without the watermark, you need to upgrade to the premium plan, which is fairly reasonable compared to other online editors on the market. Of course, you get what you get. The more expensive competitors offer or have much more features than Flexclip does. But for this price, if you're just doing basic or creating basic videos, then it might be worthwhile for your business or for your personal use. You can downgrade it with a watermark if you so choose. Now, all your videos are stored in your dashboard. So let's take a look at your dashboard, or it's called My Projects. And there's the video we just created, test video. So, happy video editing.